So today we're adding soil to our raised beds. And in the past we've done all sorts of things, from aged horse poop from a neighbor farm, and the soil that comes out of our compost bin, and just a variety of different things. We've even tried different products, like Miracle Grow or anything like that. And I've never really cared for those products. But today when we were at Home Depot, I saw this product here, and I thought I'd give it a shot, and I've been really impressed with it. That's all the soil that we're using here, and you can't really tell on the video, but it is really amazing soil. And I was struck because it says locally made, and it turns out locally made is Carson, California. And I'm from California, and I don't really think of Carson as a hotbed for growing, so that kind of surprised me, and I was a little leery at first. But whatever they're doing it right. This soil is some of the best soil I've ever used. It's incredible. I mean, you can just see the matter that's in it. It doesn't have a lot of what you usually get with like a garden soil. Really a lot of chunks, and you can see it's got stuff in it like vermiculite or something in it. I mean, it really looks good and it feels good. For example, if you come over here, this soil, if you open it up, it feels dry. But when you open this up, you just you can just feel the moisture. I mean, you can tell it's good soil. So I'm really excited to give it a shot this year and see what we get. Well, we may add in some other stuff. We may add in some of our own compost. We may add in some aged horse manure. But I'd like to have at least part of it just be this pure stuff purely. See how it does, because I'm very impressed. We got it at Home Depot. It's the same price as every other soil. Some of the Miracle Grow higher end stuff. So it's moderately priced. I was very happy with the price, and I'm just absolutely blown away by the quality. So we'll see what we get, and we'll definitely keep you guys posted. See if this stuff is as good as I think it's going to be. All right, that's it for right now.